Welcome! In this video, we'll go through how to allow everyone to see your birthday on Telegram web using your PC. Telegram recently added a new update that makes birthday visibility fully customizable, and it only takes a minute to set it up, so let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the official Telegram web page and signing into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open up the side menu. From there, select Settings. This is where all your personalization and privacy options live. Inside the Settings menu, find Privacy and Security. Click on it to open your privacy settings. Now, scroll down until you see Birthday. This is the section that controls who can view your birthday on your Telegram profile. Click on Birthday, and you'll notice a few visibility options such as Nobody, My Contacts, and Everybody. Choose Everybody to make your birthday visible to all Telegram users. This means anyone who visits your profile will be able to see your birthday, making it easier for friends, groups, and new connections to celebrate with you or just know a bit more about you. After selecting Everybody, your changes are automatically saved, so there's no need to click any confirmation button.